Hi everyone, mumeze mute amakuru Njye meze neza. It's been quite a while tutavugana. I've been busy in motherhood. I've been busy in motherhood, but I'm back. I'm back. We are going to continue with our series about screen time and how we could reduce it. Previously in the episode 2 twari twarebye uburyo ki we can reduce screen time for our kids. This time it's our turn. Now we are going to see how we can reduce screen time as moms. Uburyo ki dushobora kugabanya umwanya tumara dukoresha screen. Ubwo nimvuga screen includes telephone, television, computer, iPad, those electronic devices that we use buri munsi. Yeah, mu buzima bwacu bwa buri munsi. But before we dive in the topic, please, niba utaratangiranye natwe this series about screen time, I'm recommending you to go and watch episode 1 and episode 2 kugira ngo dukomeze turi ku murongo. Class, niba ureba iyi video ukumva hari ikigufashije, hari ikikunguye, please subscribe. Subscribe, share with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend that something is going on here. Tuze twese dusharinge what we have, and don't forget to comment. Sibyo, drop in your ideas in the comment section. Ndazisoma and I do appreciate abantu mubikora and watch this video until the end. Sibyo. So let us dive into the topic of today, which is how we could reduce screen time as moms, not as kids, but as moms. Kubera ko byaragaragaye ko mothers of this time, we spend a lot of time scrolling kuri social media, and we are not giving all we have for the families. Sibyo. So reka turebe ukuntu dushobora kugabanya igihe tumara dukoresha screen so that we can give our best to our responsibilities. When I say responsibilities, include the work, include the family, include the kids, include the partners. Utwo twose murabizi ko tuba tutureba, sibyo? So, to be honest, tuvugisha ukuri pe, ababyeyi benshi batangirira umunsi wabo kuri telefone. Batangirira umunsi wabo kuri telefone, which is very bad. With kill umunsi wawe bose iyo watangiriye umunsi kuri telefone, sibyo? Kandi rimwe na rimwe usanga tuvuga ngo reka ndeba ikintu kimwe ngo ndahita njya mu bindi, and you find yourself umaze guspending amasaha 3 just on the screen, kandi wagiye uri kuvuga ngo reka ndebe ikintu kimwe ngo ngo ndahita ndeka telefone ngo ndahita njya muri gahunda zanjye, and you find yourself umunsi wawe wose upfuye, like the best part of your day uyimaze uri kwikoreshereza telefone, and the stress starts attacking you. So rero ni igiki cyo kukubwira yuko ukeneye kugabanya screen time. Nibihe bimenyetso? Icyambere, niba igihe cyose udafite ikindi kintu uri gukora uhita utekereza mu mutwe wawe ko uri gukoresha telefone, that is an alert you need to change, okay? Niba wumva igihe utari online utari stable, mbese nk'umuntu ufite ihungabana because you're not online, you're not seeing what is going on online, ukumva nyine you don't know how you feel, ukumva biri bizarre niyo ariko navuga, ukumva nyine ntabwo umeze neza just because you're not online. That is an alert you need to change. You need to change. Niba ujya ubura ibitotsi because you are scrolling online, my dear, you need to change. You also need to change, okay? Ikindi, niba ugera hari n'umuntu bari akunda gukoresha telefone to the extent abana aribo bakwisabira ngo mami waduhaye umwanya, that is an alert, a very danger an alert that you need to change, okay? N'ibindi ugasanga iteka ryose uri kumwe n'abandi bantu, you don't want to talk to the people you are with, you just want to be on your phone, okay? my dear, that is another that you need to change. Okay, so reka turebe rero some simple ways that you could use so that you can change, kubera ko guhinduka birashoboka no guhindura rwose birashoboka, but you need to set in strategies y'uburyo uri buhindure kugira ngo usubire mu murongo mwiza. So dore rero hano nagize ngiye kubasharinga uburyo butanu bwamfashije, because I used to be a phone addict. Hahandi nabaga nicaye nimba ndi no mu nama nkumva sinzi ibintu uri kumbwira, you have to stop talking kugira ngo nijye kuri telefone. Rero I'm going to share with you tips nakoresheje so that you can use them, ukareba niba hari icyo byagufasha. Icya mbere, you have to track your usage. Reba raporo y'uburyo ukoresha telefone yawe. I'm speaking of a phone because abantu benshi niyo tumara igihe kinini. Buri unarebye machine akenshi people will use it just for the work. Iyo urangije akazi, you just close it and then you move to your phone. So this is why I'm talking that you should track the usage of your phone. Ukayitrackinga raporo y'igihe cyawe kuri telefone ni iyi. Okay? Number 2, you have to create a no phone zone. I call it a no phone zone. Just gushyiraho igihe cyangwa se ahantu uzajya uri ntukoreshe telefone. Like ukabyisetingira ko muri wowe utari bukoresha telefone nibure aho hantu. Ushobora kuvuga uti nimba ndi ku meza ntago ndi bukoresha telefone. It's just me and the food. Okay? Nabo turi gusangira nibo bafite. Ushobora kuvuga uti when I'm having shower there is no phone. Okay? Ushobora kuvuga uti niba ndyamye the moment I enter in the bed, phone ntayo. Apana kuvuga ngo reka mbe nirambitse ukaba uri guscrollinga and then ugasanga umwanya wagennye wo kuza kuryama wose n'ubundi ushize ugicanye amaso uri kuri telefone. Hari n'umuntu ushaka kwinjira mu buriri nka 3 z'ijoro agashyika 8 atarasinzira just scrolling on social media. Okay, so create a no phone zone. Agandi gatipu nakoresheje, I created a phone break schedule. Ubu senda byita gute? Ni nko gushyira kwigenera igihe uri buze gukoresha telefone. Ukavuga uti wenda nimara kurya, I'm taking 30 minutes just to check on my WhatsApp messages. Avuga uti wenda niba ufata lunch hagati ya 6 na 7, ukaba warangije gufata lunch yawe 7, ukavuga noneho kuva 7 kugeza 7 n'igice, I'm going to check the messages on my phone. This time you check your WhatsApp message, you check your message zisanzwe, you check your IG message and all other messages that you save via phone. Ukaziceckinga and then 7 n'igice zagera ukavuga okay, I'm done. Wona asubije ndaza kumusubiza in the other time. Warangiza ukavuga uti okay, reka ngende gukora ibindi hanyuma maybe ndaza gusubira gukoresha telefone 11 n'urugero. Okay, ubwo icyo gihe ntago mvuze ngo uhita ukuraho telefone because people might need you, even that business deal might come in. Ntago ugiye gukuraho telefone, but you're not going to keep on scrolling on your phone like purposelessly. Udafite purpose, just you keep the phone kugira ngo uze kwakira any call that may come in, ariko you're not there just to scroll nkuko bamwe bajya babikora, nkuko nanjye nabikoraga, just scrolling on IG ureba sometimes there are no content zitari kukubaka. That is tip number 3. Tip number 4, nari pressinze umwanya na spending kuri telefone ngukoramo izindi activity. Tuwabigenje ute? Because I knew I had this addict nyiri umukobwa. So in the evening I didn't have much of the chaos. It's just preparing food for me and then I'm done. Ugasanga I have my time nko kuva nka saa moya kugera saa tatu because I used to go to bed saa tatu nta kintu ndi gukora bigatuma ntendinga kuza gufata kuri telefone. You know what I did? I just bought books. Initiatinze muri nge the culture of reading. I start reading books. Noneho wa mwanya nari kuba ndi guscrollinga kuri telefone. I just read books. Nkasoma naba numva ntari muri mood yo gusoma nkavuga let me have a workout nkagenda, you know, I do some workout outside my house, you know. This time uri n'umumama you can even replace that time wari uri gukoresha screen, then you keep on praying with your kids, you know. You have a lot to do. And the other tip that has helped me is just to use a do not disturb mode in your phone. Ukavuga this time my phone is going to be in do not disturb mode. Ibi bigufasha iki? It's protecting you just from the alert of the messages. Okay? Wakundi usanga aka notification karaje runaka arapostinze notification iraje, you know. Iyo washyizemo do not disturb, you're not going to get disturbed with those notifications. Okay? So that also could help you. So, I mean, as mothers, wibuke ko urikeneye, you as a person, abana bawe baragukeneye, akazi kawe karagukeneye, your spouse need you. I mean, abantu benshi baragukeneye. So, try to manage your screen time kugira ngo those people who need you get fully attendance of you, okay? Nawe ubone umwanya wo kwiyitaho, because the more you spend your time on screen, the more you attract, the more your brain is getting addicted. Bikanatuma nawe utabasha kwiyitaho, I mean, bikanatuma nawe utalivinga the real life, okay? So ikindi, if you are a mother like I am, remember that abana ntago bumva gusa ibyo uvuga bara n'ibyo ukora. Niba ukeneye ko abana bawe bagabanya screen and then they keep seeing you scrolling on your phone, my dear mom, they are not going to reduce their screen time kubera ko ntago bigeze babona nawe ureducinga. Abana barareba most of the time, they learn by watching, not hearing. Okay? So ikindi, iyo ushyira telefone hasi kugira ngo uri kumwe nabo, bibigisha yuko ubuzima nyabwo burusha agaciro nyine eka. Like real life is more important than screen time life. And then they feel loved, bakumva yuko wabakunze, wabahaye agaciro, you know. So tugerageze tugabanye screen iyo dukoresha. And I'm just inviting you to be ready for the last episode of this series of balancing screen time. Thursday, I'm dropping it in. So be there, keep watching, keep subscribing, tell a friend to tell a friend that something is going on right here, okay? So until next time, we love from the Digital Mom. Bye.